Hello everybody, we're going to make lace today. Look at that amazing lace. It can actually be used both sides. So we're going to do a demonstration to set you off on a path where you can do your own lace. How exciting is that? To prepare, we're going to take 2 layers of this super soluble weaved water soluble stabilizer and put that in the hoop. Then we're going to put 2 layers of tulle folded on top of each other, so you can see this consists of 2 layers of thin tulle. I don't know if you can see that. Two layers, on top of which we're going to put another layer of stabilizer to cover the tulle, and this time we're going to use this plasticky water soluble stabilizer because the needle is going to go very nicely through this fiber, this material, and it's going to be, of course, make it much easier to sew on top of the tulle and the stabilizer. So I just use super stable stabilizer, and it is Ugon, and the other one, the smooth one, is just called water soluble. And then there you see how the hoop is behaving very nicely and clean, and that is I think it's busy stitching the second layer of this lace. Let me go back and show you what I actually do. I have opened my artistic digitizer and I've got many files that I'm working on, but now we're looking for my lace file, and I open it and you can see I'm working on many possibilities and then I test them out, and this is the one I think that we ended up with. That's right. Now you will see that I created a first layer that is actually double, but I'm just going to take the top part, all that is in blue. Now I'm losing that. All the blue is getting there. If I move it to the side, you can see that's the under layer, the first layer, and I make it double to fit on completely on my hoop. So I'm just going to put it back, and the first layer can be a glittery or any kind of embroidery thread that you love, or it can just complement the other colors that you have. In my case, I have used shades of black, and I can experiment with some glitter later on. The second layer is all the white parts, and I'll just move it to one side, that I've also combined in a long series of designs. So these parts are a little bit more heavy, and I'm going to put it back. I use different colors in my layout, as you can see on the right here, so that the color changes is easy to do. There's only 3 color changes, and at the end there's the black that lies on top. If you go to slow redraw, then it's supposed to, oops, I think I made some boo-boo here, but it's supposed to just stitch out the one, then go through to the other one, and then at the end do the complete. So I think I've got 2 parts here that I did, but you can actually put them all together so that it stitch out as all the blue, all the white, all the black, or whatever color you choose. So that is on top of the stabilizer. Okay, so I'm going to close that, and here you can see the whole picture coming together very nicely. These are images before the stabilizer is washed out, and we'll just see what happens when we wash it out. I'll show you in a second. Here we have the stabilizer being washed in the zinc, and we wash it very carefully and very cleanly so that all the stabilizer comes out of the fabric, and only the thread and the tool is left. And then you see the results. This is still being washed, and then we of course need to dry it. And here we have the result. Very beautiful, back and front, but I like this side, and we will now use it in some of our art projects. Now I've hand sewed the lace onto the back of my husband's jacket, and I really like it. I think it's a trial, and then I made an extra little piece for the front, and I love it. I think I'm going to wear it myself. This is quite a lot of fun, so I hope you enjoyed it. If you've liked that video, please stay connected with me and contact me on janiecreate.com. That's my website. See you again.